Another wee bit bling for the bike. Apart from the tops, got a bracket covers for it, looking good. These are the sockets that was on about. I'll set you up here. These are the sockets I was on about. The ones I showed you in super cheap were $28, but this is the full set. See, it's all torque security bit sets. Ones with the holes in the top and the splines. You get a whole set. It goes for, I don't know what that is. Anyway, it goes for the small right up to a big size, which is the size needed for doing, like, say, suspension or stuff like that. But this whole set, I think it was about 30 bucks out of super cheapo, and a ratchet and an extension. These are two different size ratchets, the small and the medium size. Perfect. That and a few spanners and that's your whole complete toolkit.